Ever wondered how to give your contacts a personal touch on your iPhone, whether it's for friends, family, or colleagues? Assigning photos to contacts can make your phone feel more connected and personal. And in this quick video, I'll show how you can do just that. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the process. First of all, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Next, find the contact you want to add the image of, and then tap on it. Now hit the Edit button from the upper right corner of the screen. After that, hit the Add Photo button. Next, tap on Photo from here and select the photo you want. Now customize the photo however you want. You can crop the image. You can also change the style by swiping right and left. Once you're happy with the style, hit the Done button. Then tap on Continue. After that, tap on Continue again. Now just hit the Done button from the top right corner of the screen, and that image will be saved as the contact photo and poster. So guys, that's how you can add photos to contact on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Want more of iPhone related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!